Is it possible to teach someone I love to invest more so the relationship becomes reciprocal? To answer this, we must understand the psychological reality of investment. You cannot force or demand investment. You can only create the conditions where they feel a psychological urge to move toward you. When someone is not investing enough, it is often because they feel too secure. They know your presence is guaranteed, which removes any sense of urgency or hunger for your attention. To change this, you must disrupt their comfort zone by implementing a strategic way to manage attraction. Here is the step-by-step guide to increasing investment. Step 1. Identify if they are in a too secure state. If their replies are routine, if they stop initiating contact, and if they seem too comfortable, you must move into a soft red light phase. Step 2. Implement the soft red light, which is a gentle rebalance. Instead of being constantly available, reduce your availability slightly. Reply a little slower than usual. Initiate conversations less frequently so they have to be the one to reach out. Focus more on your own hobbies in life, making your attention something that must be earned rather than something that is just there. Step 3. Escalate to a hard red light if the soft red light fails. If they continue to show low effort or ask for space, move to a hard red light phase. Stop initiating contact entirely for a period. Reply politely but briefly when they message you. Give genuine space. This creates an emotional vacuum that forces them to feel your absence. Step 4. Distinguish between tests and genuine effort. Once you have pulled back, they will eventually reach out. You must be able to tell if they are actually investing or just checking if you are still there. If they send a simple message like, "Hey," or a random meme, this is a test. Do not overinvest here. Stay calm and brief to show you haven't lost your own way. However, if they say things like, "I miss talking to you," or "I have been thinking about us," this is genuine effort. When you see genuine effort, respond warmly, but do not immediately return to being 100% available. Let the connection rebuild gradually so they do not slip back into being too comfortable. The biggest mistake you can make is chasing when they pull away. Most people react to a lack of investment by trying harder, sending longer messages and asking what is wrong. This actually decreases attraction because it makes you look emotionally unstable or desperate. It signals that they can be even less able to invest while you do all the heavy lifting. Instead of chasing, you must pull back. Let your silence do the work. Here is my personal advice for you. The simple rule is this: match their energy, but stay slightly below it. If they give 50%, you should not give 100%. You should give 40% to create the space that invites them to reach 60%. The key truth is this: people do not fall in love with how much you do for them. They fall in love with how they feel when you are present, and how much they miss you when you are gone. The golden rule is this: never sacrifice your own emotional stability to chase someone else's lack of interest. If you stay calm while they pull away, you maintain your power. Finally, remember the simple formula for reciprocity: controlled distance plus self-focus equals increased curiosity and investment. Thank you for using the ultimate edition of Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe to our Love Map YouTube channel so you'll know what the latest update on this powerful AI model is.